Hello again, Phil from MacArthur Beverage. Today we're talking champagne, and I thought I'd clear up some of the mystery behind the new packaging here from Moet on the what they're now calling Imperial. What they used to have was White Star, which many of you are familiar with, which actually is an extra dry champagne, a little less dry than a Brut. And they also used to have a Brut Imperial, which disappeared a few years ago. They've now gone with Imperial, which is the same one that they sell in France and the rest of the world. It is about the same dosage or amount of sweetness as the White Star. And a few reasons they're doing that. One is to keep the consistency, so you drink it in Paris, it's the same thing that you have in the US. The other thing is the EU is going to change the regulations about what can be called Brut, and so they've just decided to go with the Imperial, which it's really an extra dry. They don't want to put that, they just want to call it Imperial. And those of you that were fans of White Star, this is basically the same thing. And we're doing a tasting on it today. It's tasting great, so come on in and grab some. Thanks.